Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that's perfect for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike, the 3-in-1 portable welder and multifunction soldering toolset. We found this product online and have included a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is this tool? The 3-in-1 portable welder is a versatile soldering tool designed to tackle a range of welding projects. It combines the functionality of a soldering iron, a soldering gun, and a plastic welder, all packed into one compact device. This makes it an ideal tool for both industrial applications and home DIY projects. Let's talk about some of the standout features of this product. First and foremost, it utilizes advanced internal heating technology, which ensures rapid and even heat distribution. This means you won't have to wait around for it to heat up, allowing you to get started on your projects much quicker. The tool is equipped with alloy tips and ceramic heating cores, making it durable and efficient. Plus, it's designed for easy disassembly and replacement, so maintaining the tool is a breeze. Another key feature is the power switch that helps to avoid long-term use, saving energy while ensuring welding safety. This makes the tool not just efficient but also safe to operate. Whether you're working on repairing electronics, such as TVs and computer boards, or even delicate items like drones, this welder meets various heating needs. Who is this product suitable for? This tool set is perfect for hobbyists, DIY enthusiasts, and even professionals involved in electronics repair. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, its user-friendly design and comprehensive functions make it a great addition to your toolkit. Now, let's look at some practical use cases. If you're into electronics, you'll appreciate how well this welder performs on circuit boards and connectors. It's also great for various welding projects, from fixing broken parts to crafting unique DIY creations. Imagine being able to repair a crack in your favorite plastic item or solder wires on a circuit board, all with one tool. In summary, the 3-in-1 portable welder is a reliable and efficient solution for anyone looking to handle a range of welding tasks. With its advanced features and ease of use, it's definitely worth considering adding to your toolkit. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.